big one.
Yeah, it's recording.
Wait, Dad, the heavier it is, the faster it goes, right?
What?
Sled?
No.
No. You might want to sit on your gloves, John.
Probably like a pad that looks like a padding.
Two butts.
Honey, do that. It's padding. Ah! Oh God, I don't want to be in the yellow snow.
Oh! You almost dumped. You about dumped me. Stay in the track, Penny.
I'm trying. It's hard.
It's perfect.
Make sure you're videoing it good.
It's perfect.
Ah, I'm catching up. Oh my God, what's that? It's caught on something there.
It's absolutely perfect. I'm glad that your dad thought of this because he was useless most of the time. It's a lot more fun than going up the hill and then coming down and everything, huh?
Are they catching up?
No, they did that way back there. Now they are.
Oh my God. Dad, stop!
Are you still recording?
Hang on, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's nothing to hang on to.
Well, you hang on to the sled, you blockhead.
No, I can't.
Oh, I can't.
Well, put your hands up to the side to slow down.
No, in the snow, you blockhead.
Like I'm doing, right? Oh God, I hate when I do that.
It's perfect.
No, I have one.
Grampy's taking most of the video of the ground right in back of the truck.
Yeah, you better not be.
Taylor? God. Oh God.
Well, I'm trying to watch them because they're being butts. All they knew how to do is scream. Your dad drives like a you-know-what.
I got it now. Got it on my phone. Oh God. Oh God. Too fast! Dad!
Oh, there's Finn.
Stop getting too close to the wheel!
Penny, get in that tire track. Careful when you take off. It's got a lot of slack.
What does that mean?
That means that you caught up with him.
Oh God, Dad, go! It's just like...
Well, they're gonna roll out if they're gonna get going too fast.
I know, but they catch up with you, and then.
Oh no! I can't!
Oh, that's what I'd do is scream too. That makes a lot of. Yeah, that makes it better.
Stop!
Stop, Dad. Stop, Dad. Come and take your video and throw it in the snow.
Wait, can we go uphill too with this?
Huh?
Can we go uphill with these?
Yeah. Why would you want to? Downhill's more fun.
No. Wait, I need to put my...
Hang on. There we go. What?
No!
Where's Finn at?
He's on your left.
It's Dylan!
I don't see him.
He's right there. You'll see a great sight.
Oh my God, Sven. That's a lunker.
Oh God.
Oh my.
That's too fast. Dad, too fast.
I'll get Oliver to ride it.
Oh my god, this is so scary.
I'll get Oliver to do it. No problem.
Okay, are we done? No, it's done.
Head. Oh, that doesn't. Here's the shale right here, you blockhead.
I know.
I'm not even in. Are we done yet? I like make my own track right now. There's like snow right there.
This is where we went down. They went down last time.
Okay, get out. Oh, I guess not. I guess we're.
No, I want to stop!
The road's a long ways, you head.
Okay.
Oh, I'm fine. Just go lay down.
There's ice.
Don't go too fast, Wade, because if there was something sticking out,
Guys!
they'd run into it.
Ow!
If they stay on your tracks, they're okay. But Penny's kind of a butts.
Yeah. Dad, you're going too fast. Dad! No, wait! Don't go! Don't go! Don't go! Hold on.
Stop! Stop! Your head fell out. Look at the brat. Look at her. Look at her. That is your daughter. Here.
I'm gonna get some of this stuff out. Dad, don't get mine over. There's stuff in it.
We need
Yeah.
your sled.
Yeah, what came to mind, Wade, was that log that was cut out, you know?
Yeah.
And then Penny was over on the edge.
Up here, did you get
I mean,
that
she missed it
recording?
by a couple feet, but still.
Did you get that video?
Penny, do you need any bigger, thicker gloves? Penny?
I got the video.
Here,
I'm
Penny,
tired of
put-
holding
Put
it.
these gloves on.
Yeah, Penny, quit being a butts.
Yeah. These here will be nice and warm.
And Dad has to do 30. Uh-oh. Where's Big Tongue?
Yeah, I'm putting mine all the way back.
Jelly.
Good dog.
That's a real dog. It ain't like that.
Dad, look! Oh.
Look what? You got my shoes, boots wet.
Oh, there's. Jeez. Really, girls? Okay, I'm gonna floor it.
Oh god. Better go back.
Hang on, Head. Grab the, oh, he's got it tied. Usually you hold on to that string, see? But he's got the string tied to the,
Dad, wait, I need to get on my gloves.
too bad.
Are you ready?
Yeah? Wasn't as bad though. Go slow on this part. That's not slow. Gotta get in track.
That's slower than he was. We're running out of snow, girls. Yeah.
No?
If I had Oliver here, he'd handle it. Now, that did a lot of good.
How do you get back in?
Ask Oliver.
I'm collecting snow.
Somebody probably wee-weed in the snow and you're eating it. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah? Ah! So fast! Oh god, Dad, no! It's caught under! You prepare to die! I told you! Put a lot of snow on you, then it hurts less to step on the rock.
This could only happen at Old Station, you know. You had enough sledding to last. You have enough sledding to last for maybe 1 week. Oh, that's good. You're doing really good.
Oh God! Okay, so this is like this is how much snow you need to look.
I think your dad's doing about 20. I think there's something wrong with him. The only trouble is I ain't figured out what it is.
The best part, okay, is when the snow is like this high, and then the tracks are more up. Oh God. See, this is bad right now. There's snow in my
Well, we're running out of snow, you had. Oh my God. I guess your dad will have to post this on YouTube and your head to see it, everybody see it. And I think, boy, what a bunch of hicks they are. No, that's you.
Ow! It's like rocks that you can't Dad! This is good. Rock! Oh God, that's funny!
I think it's funny. You guys wanted to go sledding, didn't you?
Ow! Guys!
What are you doing over there? You blockhead. That. Where are you from anyway? Stop.
Oh God.
What?
I said, hop in there.
Get in. Oh, that's what I'd do is put some snow in there too. Look at the size your head has. Head, get over in that track.
I am.
No, I'm talking to your sister.
See, that's why I want a lot of snow. How? How do I get in the track? See, that's how.
Oh, stop! 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 Here. You're gonna have to edit it.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, because it.
Oh, I know.
You can't see, and you know it's totally black. Look at that head. They're eating snow. After Sven went and you did you know what on it.